Hey everybody, I am so stupid. I am an idiot. I want to give a shout out to West Coast Metric and their customer service because they're awesome and they kind of saved the day and really saved my bacon today. They pulled through. I called them up today to find just for information. I wanted to find out how long it would take to get that synthetic bow out to me, and they told me, well, we won't be shipping out till Monday, so I'll probably get there on Friday. I'm like, you're not shipping until Monday? I was kind of surprised, and then they go, well, yeah, because after she thought that they'd already come and picked up stuff by then, and after they close today, they're going to be closed for New Year's Eve and New Year's Day, and then for the weekend. And I totally had forgotten. I've been so busy with work and everything that I totally forgot that it was actually going to be a holiday weekend. So I kind of frantically told them my situation. I said, hey, is there any way possible for me to get that bow a lot sooner, because I kind of need it to be in my hands by Wednesday. And she said, well, go ahead and order it and then call me back. So I ordered it. I bought the express shipping from FedEx, so it's 3-day. And so I called her back and she says, oh, well, that's luckily you actually ordered that, because there was another customer who did the same thing, and their FedEx is coming to pick that up in about an hour. So they were able to process my order and get it on the truck in time. So it'll be arriving next Tuesday and not next Friday. I'm thinking my lucky stars that they were able to pull through, because that would have been 2 or 3 days of wasted time. Because unless you had that bow, you can't do anything else. You can't install anything, because everything is kind of resting on that wood bow. It's a really integral part of the whole top. So anyway. Now I'm going to be seem to start getting done with this, getting the convertible top frame prepped, as well as the frame for the window, so that I can get it painted as soon as I get into the shop, and then immediately after that's dried, I can start actually doing the installation. So anyway, thanks for watching. Continue to watch. Continue to comment. Give me advice, and for those of you who haven't done this before, thanks for watching, and I hope to be of help to you. I hope that, and I will be a lot more thorough with the actual installation process. I'll have time to actually be more thorough, and because the things I'm doing right now are kind of basic too. The thing you want to get rid of everything that was old. Make sure that everything that you're going to be using is in good shape, and then do the actual installation. So it's very simplistic, and there's a lot of steps in there, but it's in a nutshell, that's what it is. That's what I'm doing right now. So, but yeah, be prepared for a lot more details coming up. Thanks, and have a great day.